What's up, guys? Good morning. Welcome back to Muncie, Indiana, day 2 at the International Open. Today I got a full day of racing in store for me. No worrying about the chapter organizer summit, anything like that. So the sun is just coming up over in Muncie, Indiana. I just had breakfast, getting my stuff packed up. I want to get to that field bright and early, be the first one out there, make sure I get as many packs as I can in. The plan for today is to try to hit the World Cup track first, get some laps there, verify the Spec tracks up, and get some laps there. Make sure I have some times recorded, see about where I stand, and spend most of the day working on that World Cup track. That's basically my plan. The other thing I've been thinking about is yesterday I definitely noticed I was holding myself back, trying to be very conservative on the track. My thought process on the day was basically make sure I get laps, learn the track, learn the track, learn the track. But by the end of the day, I did learn the track, and I noticed I wasn't pushing myself. So it was just practice. It wasn't for anything. I need to just push myself harder. So today, I'll make sure I push myself harder. For me, a day of racing, like 8 hours without breaking anything, totally unheard of. So I'm okay breaking some stuff, get out there, do my best, put in better and better times. I know I can go faster than I was going yesterday. Wasn't that slow, but just start tightening up those lines, pushing a little bit harder. I know I'm gonna keep destroying batteries, that's the one thing I am breaking, but just need to go hard. The top guys are here, everybody's going real fast. I wanna be a fast guy, I wanna be competing in that race, I wanna make it into that bracket, so do what I gotta do. Let's get everything packed up in the car, head out to Muncie. Let's go. I was watching the news, checking out the weather. I said no weather in sight, beautiful day, sun all day, no clouds, nothing, just beautiful blue skies. So before I really get started today, I just want to say today is actually my 10-year wedding anniversary, and I'm here racing drones in Muncie, Indiana. So I really super appreciate that. Just my wife's an amazing woman, and if you're watching, hun, I love you, and I'm gonna do my best to make you proud today. So just want to say that I'm so grateful to be able to do what I do. I love drone racing. I love my family. I love my wife, and it's amazing, so thank you. So the good news is there's not a cloud in the sky. The sun is coming up. The fog is starting to burn off. Starting to look like it's gonna be a really nice day. On the downside, the grass is completely soaked. My feet are completely soaked. I really should have worn some sandals so I can dry off my feet. Lesson learned. Anyway, hopefully this, once the sun gets a little bit higher, all the fog will be gone. It'll burn up, dry up the grass real soon, and we'll be ripping this track in no time. Hopefully. Alright guys, getting here early is really paying off for me today. I got through a bunch of packs before anybody else was here. It was still real damp, so trying not to crash, and I was just trying to keep it smooth, but then I started going faster and faster and faster. By the time I got the timing system working, I managed to pull a 29-second lap. That actually matches what Bull was pulling yesterday, so I'm feeling really good, just pushing it harder and harder. Unfortunately, the computer that's running the timing system crashed and has gone down, so we haven't actually got to start our qualifying yet, but man, I'm feeling really good on this track, just trying to get through as many packs as I can, learn it as well as I can, and just go. It is so much fun flying this track. There's just so much throttle, so much full throttle, super fast track, super fun, having a blast. Just get back there to practicing. Alright guys, feeling real good out here. Just pulled a 29.2. I think that puts me in number 2 right now for qualifying, but it's still early. You guys are gonna get faster and faster and faster, but I'm feeling really good. Just having a great time. This track is an absolute battery burner, but man is it fun. Alright guys, just packing up over at the World Cup track. My fastest run today was actually my second pack through qualifying, so I figured it's probably time to take a break. Maybe I'll get a little faster when I come back. Currently I have the fastest lap of qualifying is what Chris Thomas just told me, which is just absolutely crazy. Currently sitting number 2 in qualifying position. Feeling amazing about that, man. Just wow. I'm currently humbled. I did not expect to be doing that well. I mean, obviously a lot of time, so I'm sure I'll get bumped down, but I'm real proud to be this number of amazing, great pilots, and I'm still sitting number 2. Wow. Anyway, I want to get some laps in on the Spec track, so I'm taking my quad over there. I want to put through about 6 packs, then I'll come back to World Cup, do some more. But, you know, Spec's an important race too this year. Even though I have 1 Spec quad, got to get some laps in, do some practice over there, and then I'll come back. Let's go over to the Spec track. What do you think of the Spec track?
bro.
Well,
What do you think of Spec track?
the track is the funnest one here, I think. Yeah.
How are you doing the World Cup?
And I broke 3 quads yesterday, so yeah.
Is that good or bad? I don't know.
Well, it means I'm trying hard.
All right, guys, taking off from the Spec track. The Spec track's an absolute blast. It was real rough to start. It was so hard. But once I put about 3 batteries through, I felt like I was starting to get it down. That dive gate is so much fun. This is probably the most fun track I've ever flown in my life. So, super epic track. Way to go, MultiGP. I love this track. Anyway, I'm all out of Spec batteries, so I'm gonna head back over, get the rest of my stuff at the World track, and then we're actually gonna head over to the team track and get some practice in over there. I'm racing with Detroit multi-rotor team number 1 today. So it'll be me, Beast Mode, Jeff PV, and Mayhem Marshall. And yeah, I've never done team racing, really looking forward to it, but we gotta get our quad set up. So we're gonna go over there, get it set up, see if we can practice. Unfortunately, they're having a lot of technical difficulties here at I.O. Basically, the standings, the qualifying has been down for a big chunk of the day. I was still number 2 at the World Cup track, but nobody can even put in new times to try to compete, and I couldn't even get my qualifying time in here on the Spec track, which is really unfortunate. Really wanted to see that happen, but anyway, I got some practice. I feel good. I'll be good to come back and get some good laps once it's back up, and I'm gonna head back over and get my stuff. All right, guys, flying with Detroit Multi-Rotor Team A, currently doing the team racing. Such a blast. I've never done team racing before. I'm actually really excited to get doing on that. And this track is fantastic, so much fun. Just working on coordinating with your teammates, making sure you keep it consistent, just whole ton of fun, just having a great time. Just flew through my packs here. The plan is to stay here until the sun goes down. We're gonna be qualifying first thing tomorrow morning, just living the dream out here, man. Just I.O. I probably put through like 50 packs today, at least, maybe 60, just having such a great time. So much fun. Anyway, my time's almost up, getting back to that team racing.